Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone.
His grocery haul looks crazy.
All I have to say.
Alright guys, I just got into my dorm room, or actually sorry, it's an apartment. I lied, it's an apartment. So I'll give you guys a little tour. I have these shoe boxes here. Will these be big enough to fit my platform shoes? To be determined. This is so cute. Oh, it's a little postcard. So yeah, postcard and cabinet. Oh, this is my, okay, perfect. This is so nice, guys. Like a freezer compartment is so nice. If you've ever had a mini fridge without a freezer compartment, you know. And it comes with water, amazing. Yeah, it's so cute. And then I have a sort of closet set up. Oh, slippers, beautiful. Wait, this is so cute, you guys. I'm actually obsessed. It's adorable. It's really hot in here though. I'm like sweating right now. This mirror is so cute. I love it already. Here's my little desk, little trash can. I don't know what that is. We have a cute little shelf here. My bed. Personally, I would sleep with my head on this side. Okay. And then we have an attached bathroom. Okay, I don't know where the light is, but let's explore. Okay, nothing in here. Comes with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Little like sink shower situation. And yeah, let's start setting up my room.
Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in the shadow space. Guess I'll never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises I never keep.
Alright, I've unpacked most of my stuff, but I want to wipe down like the surfaces and stuff before I really put everything down. So I think I'm going to go to the store and buy like wipes as well as some groceries, since I have to like feed myself for the next few days pretty much. Let's go check out what the sort of kitchen area looks like so I can gauge what kind of things I can buy and cook here. So yeah, let's go.
Set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in the shadow space. Guess I'll never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises I never keep, whisper lies when I'm asleep. Lonely, I'll just sit and weep. Love me now or let me leave. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Change your ways, set me loose. Cold nights.
I just returned. I stopped by Daiso, 𝐬𝐤𝐚𝐥𝐬, and a local grocery store, and I will show you the things I picked up. Some stuff I picked up is for the dorm, some of it is food. I'll start with like sort of like home stuff. So I got one of these like mesh pouches for washing stuff. I got the wipes I was talking about so I can wipe everything down after I film this. A reed diffuser so my room doesn't smell like shit. Yeah, I got double-sided tape like this because I didn't want to buy like a whole glue thing, and this is, I feel like, easier to use. I saw some cute stickers, so I got dryer sheets because I brought laundry detergent sheets that like dissolve when you put them, but I didn't have dryer sheets, and some of my clothes need fabric softener, so I got this. Sorry, it's like getting very crowded. I got one face mask. That's all the non-food stuff I got from Daiso, and then I stopped by 𝐬𝐤𝐚𝐥𝐬 to get some more lip balm because I'm about to run out of my lip balm. And if you know one thing about me, my pet peeve is that like I cannot survive if my lips are chapped. It literally drives me crazy, so I always need to make sure I have lip balm, or else like I'm gonna be hangry. Instead of being hungry and angry, I'm angry because my lips are chapped. Now for the food, this is what a vegetarian eats in Korea. So I think out of everywhere that I've traveled, Korea has been the hardest place to find vegetarian food, even more so than Japan. And Japan is a very, like, people are like, how are you Japanese and you don't eat meat? Because they like, Japan is such a meat culture. Like if you're cooking by hand, obviously you can substitute things to make vegetarian food, but because I don't want to be doing extensive cooking, I just got some easy foods. It's harder, even like at the convenience store there's less options than in Japan, because in Japan they always have like onigiri options with seaweed or kombu or like vegetables in it, but here they don't even have that a lot of the times. What a vegetarian eats. Okay, I got some seaweed, and I got 2 packs of this red bean-ish, I think it's red bean, oh, cooked black rice. Yeah, Koreans love black rice and it's really good for you, and I love it's so delicious. So yeah, I got a bunch of these. They're just microwavable. I'm very excited to eat microplastics. I stopped by the grocery store to get like actual food, so this was the only vegetarian kimchi they had. Kimchi is kind of tricky because it looks vegetarian, but a lot of the times they have like shrimp paste or anchovies in it, so this was the only one out of their entire stock, and it was an extensive stock. Bananas, these are like fucking massive. Where are these from? I don't know, but these are like massive bananas. And then I got some strawberry yogurt for breakfast. Tofu, so this, I believe it's 𝐬𝐸, which I don't know the word for in English, but it's like the really soft tofu, and I like to eat 𝐬𝐸, so yeah. And then I got 쌈장 paste as like a seasoning if I want to season any of my food, and in case I get a sweet tooth, I got some butter cookies. I love butter cookies. These are my latest guilty pleasure. This grocery haul looks crazy. Okay, let's put everything away in the fridge.
It's all pretend. The empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in the shadow space. Guess I never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises I never keep, whisper lies when I'm asleep. Lonely, I'll just sit and weep. Love me now or let me leave. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart.
Hi guys, it's currently around 8 p.m. I've sort of just settled in and have been hanging out, but this lighting, incredible by the way. This is my little night light bulb thing. I don't know, but I really like it. I had several goals for today and I think I got most of them done. I wanted to like grocery shop and get my basic stuff for my apartment situation, and I had some journaling that I wanted to do. I had a lot of thoughts in my head, so I journaled just now, and my biggest and main task is to finish editing my moving video. The video is kind of funny because originally I thought I'd be moving into here like as soon as I landed in Korea, but as you know if you watched that video, there was like a really big misunderstanding on my end, and I thought I was gonna be unhoused for the night, so I had to go crash at my host family's place for about a week. But because the housing didn't actually open until today, which is why I came today. But I don't know if it qualifies as a moving vlog because like I moved to Korea technically for the next half a year, but I'm not actually moving into my apartment. I'm just like in a panic state for a week. It's like giving me a little trouble editing because I'm sort of like, can I even call this a moving vlog? But I think I will, just, you know, fuck it, whatever. Because I've like have not been sure how to label this video, I've been putting off editing it, but we just need to lock in. I have a massive canker sore on the inside of my mouth because I bit my lip the other day and it hurts so fucking bad, and I keep eating spicy food and it keeps not healing because I keep eating a lot of spicy food. It's in the most inconvenient spot, so the wound keeps like reopening. I'm manifesting that it goes away. It's like right here on the inside of my lip, so it's not even like in the back where like you wouldn't see it that much. It's like right in the front.